Hello everyone, my name is Amruta Nayana from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Department of Electronics and Communication. So today we are going to discuss a topic called Tkinter from Python Application Programming 18 ECA 646. Let us see what we are going to discuss today. So the Tkinter is an inbuilt Python module that is used to create GUI applications. So what is GUI here? GUI is graphical user interface. It is one of the most commonly used modules for creating GUI applications in Python, as it is simple and easy to work with. Some other Python libraries available for creating our own GUI applications are KIVY, that is Kiwi, Python Qt, WX Python. So today we are going to discuss two programming examples for this. Let us see. The first one is a program to display two labels with different colored backgrounds. So we have to display two labels and change and with different colors. So let us see and write the program. So we are going to import the Tkinter library, which is already available in the Python module. We can see here label 1 and label 2. We are using two labels. In the label 1, we are going to write the text welcome to Python in the background red, and label 2, we are going to write the text have a great day in background green. So here are some comments. Some of the packing options. Widget expands to take up any extra space. So here pad X, pad Y is the outer padding, and iPad X and iPad Y is the inner padding. Okay, here level 1, here we can see pad X and pad Y for input and output, and also in label 2 we can see the pad X and pad Y. Here we are giving 10 and 25 right side to the label 1 and 20 40 right in the label 2. So let us see the output of this program 1. As you can see, we are displaying two labels, welcome to Python as label 1 and have a great day as label 2. Both the labels are displayed in different color backgrounds, that is red and green. This is the output of program 1. Let us see the next program that we are going to discuss today. The next program is program to read n integers and display them as a histogram. Histogram is a type of graph. So we are going to input some constant values and let us display it in a graph, that is the histogram. Now we are going to import a library called the matplot library, and we are going to define a variable, that is a sine wave. Here we are giving the sampling frequency as 800 and samples we require are 800. Then for the x-axis we are going to give the sample, and y-axis we are going to give sine. We are going to plot the x and y-axis. So we are going to label the x-axis as voltage and y-axis as samples. Then we are going to define another wave, that is a cosine. Cosine wave, we are going to give another sampling frequency as 800, and the number of samples we require is 8000 and 8000 again. Now for x-axis we are going to give sample, and for y-axis again we are going to give the cosine. We have to plot this again, so we are going to give the x label and y label for this. X label will be the voltage and y label is samples. Now we are going to define polynomial curve where the x-axis is given in the range and y-axis also. So we are going to display this as a mesh grid. Now f is equal to 3 plus 2x plus 4xy plus 5xx, that is x square. So we are going to display this figure. We are going to define another exponential curve that has a range and y-axis as a function of x. Now we are going to plot this as x comma y and display it. So we are defining a menu, that means we are displaying 1 2 3 4. So there are 4 options that we'll be displaying, and we have to select any one curve that we choose. We have to choose one. So for that we are giving options. We'll display 1 as sine curve, 2 as cosine curve, 3 as polynomial curve, and 4 as exponential curve. So we are giving another character, that is y. So we are coming into a conditional statement while character is equal to y. Our choice is input, enter the choice. That means the choice must be in the range of 1 to 4. If we give some number which is above 4, then it is going to show us as invalid statement. So we have to give that in the integer, an integer value as the input for the choice of the curve we require. So here there are some if else statements, that is, if we choose 1 then it has to display sine curve, if we choose 2 then it has to display cosine curve, if we choose 3 it will display polynomial curve, and if we choose 4 it will display exponential curve. Or else if we choose something, any other integer, it will choose as wrong choice. Then we'll put do you list the then we will take ch as an input, where do you list the continue. So this is the output of the program 2. So there are we are given with 4 options. We have to choose one. So here we are choosing a option 4, that is the exponential curve. Then this will be the output of it. If we choose a sine, cosine or polynomial curve, the output will be according to the choice we make. Thank you.